Hello, and welcome to the Wild Nature Channel. Today, we're going to meet an incredibly vibrant, loud, and very intelligent bird, the macaw. These parrots aren't just brilliant minds with rainbow feathers. They also have fascinating habits, can talk bond with humans, and even joke around. Get ready for a journey into the world where the macaw lives a bird you simply can't overlook. Parrots live in the tropical forests of South and Central America, in countries like Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Mexico, and other warm regions. You can find them high up in the canopy of the Amazon jungle. Isn't just one bird, but an entire group of colorful, lively parrots. In nature, there are several species each with its own colors and unique traits. Let's get to know some of the most famous ones. Blue and yellow macaw has a bright blue back and a yellow belly. Scarlet macaw features vivid red feathers with yellow and blue patches on its wings, one of the most well-known species. Green-winged macaw, similar to the scarlet macaw, but with more green on its wings. It's one of the largest macaws. Military macaw has green plumage resembling a military uniform, which is why it's also called the military macaw. Noble macaw, or Hans macaw, the smallest among macaws, a kind of mini macaw. Macaws are easy to recognize among other parrots because of their colorful feathers, long tails, and massive beaks. Their bodies are strong and muscular, measuring from 70 centimeters to 1 meter long, including their long, narrow tails. This body shape is well adapted for life in treetops. Macaws are excellent flyers, balancers, and climbers among branches. Their plumage is incredibly bright, a mix of red, blue, green, yellow, and sometimes white or black elements. This isn't just beautiful. In tropical forests, where there are countless vibrant colors, such plumage actually helps them blend in with the colorful foliage and flowers. One of the macaw's most distinctive features is its beak. It's very large, curved, and strong, designed for cracking hard nuts, opening fruit, and stripping bark. The macaw also uses its beak as a third limb to help climb branches. Their feet are zygodactyl. 2 toes point forward and 2 backward. This structure allows them to grip branches and hold objects. Macaws often eat while holding fruit in one foot, just like a person holding an apple. AWS have large, alert eyes with a very expressive gaze. Around their eyes are patches of bare skin, often white. On some species, these patches feature unique patterns of fine feathers individual to each bird. Macaws are very strong and skilled birds. They have large wings that allow them to fly swiftly and confidently through the tropical forests. They maneuver well between trees and can also soar high into the sky when needed. Their flights are often accompanied by loud calls. It's how they communicate over distances. Macaws can fly at speeds of about 35-55 kilometers per hour. Sometimes when frightened or eager to rejoin their flock, they can fly even faster. In the wild, macaws often gather in flocks of 10-30 birds, sometimes even larger. Flocks are especially important for young parrots. They learn from older birds, play, and form social bonds. Macaws communicate actively with each other using sounds, gestures, wing positions, and eye expressions. Within a flock, every bird recognizes the unique voice of the others. It's known that macaws experience emotions such as affection, jealousy, joy, and stress. They miss their partners, can get upset, and even show tenderness. They're among the most emotionally advanced birds in the world. Macaws are very dedicated when it comes to forming pairs. Initially, a male and female establish a bond. They fly together, feed each other, and strengthen their relationship. Often, such a pair stays together for life, build their nests in tree cavities high above the ground, or use natural crevices in rocks. The female lays 2-4 eggs, which she incubates for about 25-28 days. During this time, the male guards the nest and brings food. Macaw chicks are born blind and featherless, requiring constant care. Both parents feed them, at first with partially digested food regurgitated from their beaks. After about 3-4 months, the chicks learn to fly, but remain near their parents for some time until they become fully independent. Macaws are real sweet tooths among birds. They especially love fruits like mangoes, bananas, papayas, and berries. They eagerly search for ripe, sweet fruit directly in the trees. Macaws also adore nuts and seeds. Sometimes they chew on tree bark or leaves and even eat clay. This helps them neutralize harmful substances that might be present in fruits. Macaws are true long livers among birds. In the wild, they typically live 30–40 years, but under good conditions, they can reach even 50 years. In captivity, with proper care, good food, and no predators, some macaws can live as long as 60–80 years. That's what macaws are like: bright, intelligent, and incredibly social parrots. They not only beautify the jungle with their plumage, but also teach us loyalty, friendship, and the importance of family bonds. See you again in the world of wild nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. There are many more fascinating animals ahead.